Enginetech is the engine parts wholesaler and distributor. Among our best-selling items are our rebuilder pistons. Enginetech rebuilder pistons were one of the first items introduced by Enginetech into the market when the company was founded in 1982. Like all our parts, Enginetech pistons come with a lifetime warranty when installed by a professional. Our pistons are manufactured with state-of-the-art materials to meet or exceed OE requirements. The tolerances are extremely tight with a principal diameter not to exceed plus or minus 3.5 ten-thousandths of an inch. That's 0.00035. Additionally, we control the weight of the pistons, including the pin, to be plus or minus 2 grams within each set. Where necessary, graphite coatings are added to the skirts to eliminate bore markings during cold startups. Anodized heads and NI-resist inserts are also used as required. Most Enginetech pistons are decked 10 to 20 thousandths to compensate for oversized bores and head and deck milling. Enginetech specializes in providing the highest quality pistons for engine rebuilds for domestic, import, and high-performance applications, as well as offering aluminum, hypereutectic, and forged applications. Whether it's consistent quality, technical attention, or expert service you expect, our teams work hard every day to earn and maintain your business. Additionally, same-day shipping and next-day delivery of our extensive, full line of products saves your company money and ensures you complete your jobs on time. Find everything you need all in one place visiting www.enginetechcatalog.com now. Enginetech, the engine builder's source.